Hi YouTube. Today I'm coming at you with a Cydia app called unlimtones. This allows you to download unlimited ringtones, as it says. And it goes straight to your iTunes library, so you can download them. This shows you your top charts. It also allows you to make a ringtone and manage your ringtones that you have already downloaded. Okay, now once we do that, I'm going to search a random ringtone and I will download it. Once I have downloaded that, once it is downloaded, I will head back into my settings and I will show you how it actually does go right to your sounds. So you're just going to scroll down and hit your sounds button and you're going to click on ringtones or text tones or whatever tone you want to set it as, and it will be right there. And now I will show you where to get it in Cydia. If you do not know the source to get this from, it is the Big Boss repo, and that comes with the Cydia app unless you have deleted it. To find this app, you will have to type in unlim and tones, all one word. It should pop up as one of the first ones there. Mine says modify in the top right hand corner. But yours will say install. After you click install, it will say confirm after it's done. After it's done running through its processes, you're good. Well, that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. This is Off Brand Videos.